Hi, boys and girls. Go ahead and write your name at the top of your paper. And today we have a pretty easy counting on the front of our paper. So it does say color, but I don't want you to color. We're just going to circle how many fish to match the number. So what number is this first one? 4. So we're going to circle 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we circled 4 fish. Look at the next fish. What number does this say? 3. So we're going to circle 3 fish. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's pretty easy. Now look at the next fish. How many fish do we see? We see 6 fish. So let's circle 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wow, that was all the fish on that top row. Very good. Okay, what number is this one? It's 2. So we're going to circle 2 fish. 1, 2. Very good. Okay. On the next row, how many are we going to circle? 5. Let's circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. We're going to circle 5 fish. And on our last one, we just have 1. Circle 1 fish. Nice job. Okay, let's turn the paper over. And on the back, we have 10 frames. So I want you to look at the 10 frame and see if you can tell what number is in the 10 frame, and we'll write it in the circle. So what number? So the first one has all 5 across the top. So we don't have to count those because we just know with our brain that's going to be 5. So write 5 in the circle. Good. Okay, on the next one, it has all 5 across the top, and there's 4 on the bottom, so there's just the 1 empty space. So if the 10 frame is almost full with 1 space left, what number is that going to be? It's going to be 9. Okay, the next one has almost the whole row, but there's 1 space left. What number is that going to be? It's 4. Good job. The next one only has 1 dot, so that's going to just be 1. The next one has the top row and 3 on the bottom row with 2 empty spaces. So it's going to be 5, 6, 8. What is it? 8. Good. Okay, back up to the top. We have 5 on top plus 2 more. What is it? 7. Good. The next one just has 3 on top, so what's that one? 3. The next frame has all the dots. So if it has all the dots, what number is it? That's right, it's 10. The next one has 5 across the top and 1 dot. So 5 plus 1 more is 6. And the bottom one has 2 dots. So what's the answer? 2. Good work, boys and girls. Go ahead and do what your teacher would have you do next.